Finally, there's no sound. Can we have the sound system being operationalized because we could not hear anything.
Oga Zambia, how are you? Are we not going for supper? Mm. Okay, I'll come back. I'll meet you here. Let me do Italia today. Yeah. No, just I'm picking water. I'm not eating. Mm. How are you, sir?
Yes, sir.
It's a class I have here online. It's like it's fine. She's cooking and I'm only taking water. We eat from the same place. Actually, we cook.
Exactly. Yes.
Welcome. Madam Nambozo told me you are coming here.
Yes.
You have started?
Yes, started.
Mhm.
But if you come with some mild sickness, we can
So you are already here.
we request for drugs, but I'm not yet suffered.
I'll check on you. It's okay. Let's go.
So, hello. Sorry for that technical hinge we had earlier on. I apologize for that. Hopefully, my apology is accepted. And welcome to our class. And then we are very many of us, and I'm humbled. I'm glad so many of you have joined, have registered with us. So this is the Kenya Sign Language online classes. Feel free to communicate on whichever problem you have. I go by the name Vivian. I and Alexis will be moderating on these classes. So you're very much welcome. And today we start off with the alphabets. And already someone their hand is up, but I'll actually give you a platform as we come to the end of the class or the session. So we said alphabets. So we sign alphabets. This is a sign for alphabets. And if I'm too fast, you're free to tell me. Ukipotea, you're free to communicate to me. You'll just raise up your hand and then you'll unmute your mic. I don't know, someone is. Oh, yes. It's also on YouTube. Right, Alexis? I guess he has switched live at YouTube. Yes. Yeah. I hope I'm audible enough. I can be heard. Alexis, am I audible enough? Yes. Yeah, thank you. So as I was saying earlier on, today we are going to learn on the alphabets. And sorry, time have really moved so fast as we were working on that technical hinge. So I was saying the alphabets. This is how we sign alphabets. Alphabets. So, in this class, in this 1 week, we're going to learn the alphabets, the numbers, and also there is also a bonus topic, which you'll find out as we come to the end of the week. So, the alphabets, that is A to Z. Alphabets. So, this is the sign for alphabets. 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 And I start off with A. A. You can as well join in. As I sign, you can all as well sign those who are those who are on Zoom with me, you can put on your video so that I can see what you're signing, if you're doing it in the correct way. So we have A, B, B. Hopefully my hand is clear. B, C, D, and then E. We move on to F, G, H. And remember, while signing these alphabets, always remember to face the audience, and then your hand shouldn't be too close to you or too far from you, right? So we proceed on to H, and then I. This is called the pinky finger. I, J. So for J, you draw using the pinky finger, just as you were taught in school. You draw J, or you write it how you were taught in school. J, K. If I'm too fast, you are free to ask. You're free to tell me if I'm fast so that I can repeat. Remember, I always say with sign language, we are all equal, and I want you guys to understand. So K, L, M, So I repeat A, then B, C, D, E, then F, G, H, I, then I've said J, you draw just as you were taught in school. J, then K, L, M, N, then O, P. So for P, it's a slanting letter K, but looking downwards. P, and then Q, it's a slanting letter G. We see this is the alphabet G, but facing down. Q, R, S, then T, U, V, W, then X, and Y, and then you finalize with Z. So for Z, this is called the pointer finger. You draw Z, just as you were taught in school. Z. So those are the alphabets. How to sign the alphabets A to Z. Someone is asking a question. Maybe just retype again. So I was saying that is how you sign the alphabets A to Z. And please, students, you have to keep on practicing. I always say practice makes perfect. So that you can have a better understanding on the alphabets, you ought to also make your fingers very flexible. If you feel your fingers, they are quite hard, or lack of a better term, feel they are heavy, yeah, that's the term. Maybe you can look for plasticine and try modeling, or maybe you can even exercise. Just make your muscles very tender and relaxed, so that you can be able to sign the alphabets A to Z. I don't know if there is anyone with a question, because time is too much gone. Anyone? So I'll do a repetition of the alphabets A to Z once more for you to have a better understanding on the alphabets. So by this time round, I'll be a little bit fast. Yes, Lucy, is your hand up? Lucy, you wanted to say something? I can see your hand is up. You can just unmute your mic and then communicate to me. All right, I guess we've lost Lucy. It's okay. Guys, if you want to communicate to me, just unmute your mic because I can see several people, their hands are up, one at a time. Unmute your mic and then you communicate to me. Yes, Claire, yes. Claire, just unmute your mic. Oh yeah, so Alexis, they're saying you did mute all their mics when you were trying to handle the technical problem that we had. I don't know what you're going to do about it. Kindly, can you? Oh. Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, Mark, the floor is yours. Okay. Claire.
okay, I can go. Thank you so much for the opportunity to learn.
Yes.
I wanted to confirm, does it matter which hand we use to do the sign language, or it's the right hand is preferred?
So basically, it matters for you if you're left-handed or you're right-handed. If you're right-handed, you use your right hand. If you're left-handed, you use your left hand. Yeah, it doesn't matter but just make sure if you're right-handed, use the proper hand, the one that you're comfortable with. And then don't be, some people are comfortable in both hands. Just make sure you use one hand. That is, if you're left-handed, use left. If you're right, use right. I hope I've answered your question, Claire. Was it?
Yes.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
Welcome. Anyone else? Is it Lily? Yes, Lily, go ahead. Okay, I move on to someone by the word K. Let me see your name. Kenneth. Kenneth, your hand is up. Okay. Let me see. Yes, Sarah. Just unmute your mic and communicate to me. Okay, I don't know if there's anyone who has gotten lost when we were sending our signs A to Z. Anyone? Or was I too fast or too slow?
Yes,
Seb, yes?
One more demonstration.
thank you.
Maybe.
Go ahead.
I said one more demonstration will help.
Oh, one more demonstration. Oh, okay. I'll demonstrate one more. Let me find.
You are a bit fast.
Okay.
I think you can,
All right.
because we are learning. Try to
Okay.
be. Yes.
Okay, but we also in the course of the week we'll keep on practicing. We won't learn the alphabets only for today because I understand we've also started very late. Yeah, apologies for that. Yes, is it Yahoo? Did I say the name correctly? You can ask your question. Your hand is up.
Yes, I basically was requesting for a repeat of the same
All right.
because I didn't get it.
Okay, I will. I guess basically the question is I should do a repeat on the alphabets. Yeah, that is why I'm here for you. So I'll do a repeat of the alphabet. So if you're there watching me, you can as well join me in. So we say that is A, then B, C, D. For those who are on Zoom, you can put on your camera so that I can see you, and I'm also to correct where you go wrong. D. Remember, we say nobody is perfect. We are all learning in our class. So D, and then E, F, G, H, I. Remember this is called the pinky finger. I. Then J, you draw it. J, K, 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 then L, 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 M. I'll pick your question in a few. I can see somebody's hand is up. M, M. That's Kenneth. I'll pick your question. M, N. So we said M, then N, O, O, O. So Q, I said Q. You remember our alphabet K, but Q facing downwards. Q,
Would
Q,
that be a P or a Q?
P, P, P. Sorry, thank you for the correction. P. So for P, it's a slanting letter. K. So Q, P, P, P. And then Q, Q, Q. We go to R, R, R. Then S, S, S. T, T, T. U, U. Then V, 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 W. You can see there are 3 fingers. It makes a W, W. Then X, 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 Y, Y. And then you said Z. You draw it using your pointer finger. Z, 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 Z. All right. Somebody has a question. Was I too fast? Was I too slow? But remember, again, tomorrow we'll redo because we also started very late. So I don't know if there is anyone with a question. Thank you, Shadrach. Yeah. Any question? Kenneth, you had a question?
I have a comment.
Okay.
You are not too fast, but sometimes you move your hand.
I'm not too fast, but
You're not
I
too
can.
fast, but sometimes when you're showing the sign, you move your hand to the screen and we can see the other fingers. Like
Oh,
it's not so visible.
okay. Thank you for that. Anyone else? Video on page. So for you to have a better understanding, I'll send you a video of how to sign the alphabets on our WhatsApp so that you can master the alphabets. So don't worry, we'll still redo the alphabets until you get it. So anyone else with a comment, feedback, question? And sorry, I apologize. We started very late. We were having a technical hinge here. Anyone else with a question? So I want you to practice. We're going to practice the alphabets before we meet tomorrow at our usual class. Yeah. So just make sure you practice along so that you can be perfect. Right. Any question? Yes, please go ahead. Yeah. Right. Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. So, Alexis, as you have said, yeah, you'll share the chat on the WhatsApp wall. So, when you meet tomorrow, at least you'll have an idea on how to sign some of the letters. And don't worry about the time. We'll have a repeat on what we've done today because we've really started late. We had a technical hinge and we've apologized for that. Yeah. Anyone with a question? Anyone else? Yeah. Thank you, Mohammed. Mohammed says thank you. Thank you too. All right, I guess we come to the end of today's class. Let's meet tomorrow, hopefully. Yes? Mhm.
Thank you.
Yes, Charles?
Thank you so much.
Charles, we can't hear you clearly. Charles, are you there?
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm
yes, we
there.
can. Okay.
No, just thank you for the presentation.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right. I guess. Actually, I have nothing to add on that. So I guess we'll meet tomorrow and do a recap of what we've done today. So thank you so much, all. Let's meet tomorrow and keep on practicing.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye.